Hey, Mega GMs, welcome to Inside NFTs. Well, controversy was the word of the day yesterday when the Bitcoin ecosystem of BRC20s and Ordinals flipped the Ethereum ecosystem of NFTs. Not everybody was happy. A lot of people questioning how you can compare BRC20 sales, meme coins basically, to NFT sales on Ethereum. I'm going to show you exactly why you can compare them and why it makes perfect sense. We're also going to dive into a couple big mints yesterday that sold out and ripped on secondary markets. We've got Gordon Goner still shopping for Grails, surprise Pokemon card drops, and SoFi updates and artifact updates. Just a lot going on. So let's dive right in and let's get right to the Forkast 500 NFT index. And would you look at that? Up yet again 1.19%. You always gotta love waking up to green. First, to look at that sales volume, 35.9 million yesterday in sales. We're just climbing higher every day here. I want you to focus on this. The average sales price is what's really standing out, and that is what's been increasing so much over the past week or two. The total transactions pretty darn stagnant, but keep that average sale price of 167 in mind. We're going to go back to mid-October. The number of transactions looks familiar, doesn't it? But the sales price is what's changed so much, and that's what's driving all of this sales volume. We've got a lot of pricey NFTs being sold. People are shopping like Gordon Goner, but we're not seeing the rest of the market participating yet. Will they come in? Now, on the friend.tech front, sales volume has been creeping right back up, yesterday crossing the $2 million threshold for the first time since late October. Most of that volume was buy volume. Those SoFi platforms in general looking pretty solid. Total value locked increasing mostly, other than Stars Arena. Back to NFTs though, and what's moving the market. Bored Ape Yacht Club is the top selling NFT collection yesterday. They're followed by the Sats BRC20 collection, and then we got CryptoPunks, ArtBlocks, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, Rats BRC20s, D-Market, Azuki, Gods Unchained, and Pudgy Penguins at number 10. You see here, BRC20s and Bored Apes neck and neck. Bored Apes are a profile picture, and they're an access pass. Sats BRC20s? Well, they're a meme coin or a crypto or an altcoin. How do you compare the two, right? Look, already on CryptoSlam, we have Pokemon cards backed by an NFT, but you could also bundle 100 Pokemon cards behind one NFT and sell that, and that'll show too. These BRC20 collections are bundles of BRC20s, the bundles backed by an NFT, and the NFT is traded. Ethereum DeFi has bundles of ERC20s that are backed by an NFT. Nobody trades them though. This is deserving of a much bigger conversation, one that I hope to have soon, but TLDR, if it's backed by an NFT, it goes right there. Okay, I need to zen out after that topic, so let's dive right into ArtBlocks yesterday with their 1.8 million in sales. A lot of that driven by Mount Vitruvius's Trick-O-Matic. 600 editions that minted out at 0.85, now trading for over 2 ETH on secondary markets. Beautiful collection from Mount Vitruvius. Well worth your time to go to ArtBlocks and just look through some of those outputs. But I think this is what everyone's waiting for. What did Gordon Goner buy yesterday? Remember, Gordon, co-founder of Yuga Labs, now officially becoming a member of the Azuki community. And he also bought a Grail Meebit, which are owned by Yuga Labs. He got into the Doodles as well, and the Dead Fellas. Honestly, I'm really growing to love this guy. Here he is talking about his desire to join more communities, and that maybe he felt like he couldn't before because of what he does at Yuga Labs. But no, I think you need to show your support of the rest of the NFT space, because in a big way, we do this together. Today, just 4 more Grails coming from Gordon Goner. Everybody's watching for what he's gonna grab, and plenty of others watching for what he's not gonna grab. Get your popcorn ready, because it's gonna be interesting at least. Now, yesterday, the Forgotten Runes had a new mint. It was for Forgotten Runiverse Watchers rings, and those rings got you access to the Forgotten Runiverse game, in alpha form by the way, but those NFTs sold out lightning quick, priced I think under 0.1 ETH, but secondary market shot up to 0.5 ETH. Again, very healthy sign to show that traders do have liquidity now. They are going to jump in and trade, and when they're met with profits, well, they're going to do it again next time. Okay, running out of time, gonna blitz through the rest here. Hey, yesterday we had some surprise Pokemon card drops. These coming from courtyard.io. These are physical cards stored in a Brinks vault. They're backed by an NFT, and they're sold in packs. And man, these sell out lightning quick, always within minutes. Great platform, great ideas here. We do have more tokenized NFT asset news too. DGen News reporting that HSBC next year will launch a custodial service for storing blockchain-based assets. They're talking about real-world assets like those Pokemon cards, but this will be anything. And I mean that, literally anything. Luxury clothing, sunglasses, watches, any item of value in the real world, well, it belongs on the blockchain too, with an NFT that represents it. And we'll end on Artifact, who's teasing something called The Offering. This is for any Artifact Nike Dunk Genesis holders who have not forged shoes. Well, it looks like The Offering is going to cap off this experience. Again, those unused NFTs, seems like there's going to be a utility for them. What that is, well, that's what we're going to find out. Can't wait to see it though. All right, everybody, I hope your Thursday's fantastic. Tomorrow I'll be back with another NFT market update. We'll hit on all the latest happenings. And remember, if it's happening in NFTs, I'm bringing you inside. Until the next time, I'll see ya.